Come on, kids! Today we'll learn about the Muslim countries of the world.
La ilaha illallah.
From Makkah's heart a light began, a gift of peace for every man.
It crossed the seas, it kissed the sky, and hearts awoke. La ilaha illallah. Not by sword, nor crown, nor fame, but love and mercy in Allah's name.
Arabia's dawn so bright, so pure, where every heart found hope secure.
Medina smiled, its walls so near, the Prophet's voice the world could hear.
Then lands around began to shine, with peace and prayer and love divine.
From desert sands to mountain snow, the light of faith began to grow. From sacred glow to every shore, Allah's word forevermore. Pakistan's fields of emerald green, Bangladesh where rivers gleam,
Afghanistan's brave hearts pray, Tajik peaks greet each new day.
Uzbekistan's domes of blue, Kyrgyz smiles and hearts so true, Kazakhstan's step beneath the sun,
Turkmenistan's where prayers are one. Iran's roses, Iraq's art, faith in every beating heart. Turkey's call where east meets west, mosques and minarets proudly dressed.
Indonesia's thousand eyes, Malaysia's peace and gentle smiles, Brunei songs, Singapore's cheer.
Maldives waves so crystal clear.
From Saudi sands to southern shore, faith and friendship evermore. Oman's calm and Qatar's grace, Kuwait and Bahrain a peaceful place. The Emirates rise so proud, so tall, mosques of light that welcome all.
Egypt's Nile and Morocco sea, Tunisia's joy and harmony.
Algeria strong, Mauritania bright, Gambia smiling morning light.
Nigeria's youth with hearts sincere, Ghana and Togo gather near.
Mali's drum, Senegal's grace, Guinea-Bissau song and joyful face.
Comoros breezes, Tanzania's glow, Uganda's hearts where kindness flows.
Zanzibar waves that shine and play, peaceful voices lead the way.
Bosnia's prayers at morning light, Albania's stars so clear at night.
Kosovo's peace, a gentle tone, faith that bridges stone to stone.
Northern fields where snow may fall, yet hearts stay strong in every call.
In Suriname and Guyana's green, the crescent moon is softly seen. So many lands, so many tongues, yet one message forever sung. Be kind, be fair, let justice reign, let love and mercy heal all pain.
From sacred light to every land, Allah's truth holds every hand.
We pray as one beneath the sky, guide us, O Lord, till we die.
From Pakistan to Turkey,
from Indonesia to Senegal's bay,
from desert warmth to mountain air,
the light of faith
shines everywhere.
57 lands, hearts as one.
Under moon and under sun, one ummah strong, one faith we share. Allah's mercy everywhere. One ummah, many lands so wide. Together forever, side by side, may peace and faith forever stay in every heart,
In every way.
from sacred light to every shore.
We are one Ummah.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe!